Hi, I'm Dr. Chris. I'm a physical therapist, and I have severe sleep apnea. And I've been using a CPAP for about 5 years now. And it's no fun. I can't stand it. You know, I call it my leash, right? Because I go to hug my wife, and it pulls me. The sound of it is really frustrating. It's just not sexy at all. Before that, it was the sort of the typical thing where I'd wake up and my wife would be in the guest bedroom because the snoring was so loud. So for years I've been trying to find a solution, and I think I finally find the right fit for me. So to put this in perspective, I have severe apnea, and it's just gotten worse as I've gotten older. I was having, when I got tested last, 60 apneic events a minute. So every second I was having a sleep apnea moment. So I've tried a bunch of different things. I've tried mouth tape, I've tried mouthpieces, exercises. Nothing seemed to really budge. Some of the things like mouth tape can help you if you have sort of mild or to minimal apnea. But when it's severe like mine, it didn't do the trick. I had to do a combination of things. So what I found is this first. This is made by Airwave. It's $50. And it's got these little grooves on the inside here. And what that does, and this sits on the bottom, right? Yeah, what that does, it stimulates your tongue and has your tongue go forward a little bit. So one of the things that happens with apnea is as you're sleeping, the mouth is open and the tongue retracts backwards and causes the reverberations. So this just fits in like that, and that naturally makes the tongue sit a little bit forward. So that was step one. I used that and reduced my snoring to some degree, but I was still snoring, and I'd wake up with my mouth open and my mouth was super dry. So again, wife in another room. So then I said, okay, well now if the only issue is the mouth is open, now let's try to add the mouth tape. So I found hostage tape. I've got facial hair. This is particularly good if you have facial hair. I think it was $25 for a month's supply, so you get 30 of them. You can buy 200, for $200 to get a year supply. So that combination of the mouthpiece and the mouth being closed with the tape basically reduced it to nothing. I woke up this morning after using it and my wife was in bed and I felt great. I think this can help a lot of people, and you can ditch the CPAP.